We're at Hannover Fair once again this year in 2018, standing in our good partner Schunk's booth. I'm here with Jochen Emer, the Global Head of Business Unit Gripper Systems, right?
Yeah, that's right, Nick.
Can you tell me a little bit about what you do at Schunk, so our audience knows?
Yeah, it's a pleasure for me to invite you. I want to show you some new things about our gripping systems, but at the first start, let me say about a few words about Schunk. So we established 1945 after World War II. We're still a family-owned company in the third generation. And in this year, we reached a size of 3,000 employees worldwide. So we have more than 35 subsidiaries worldwide and focusing more than 30 years on gripping system. So that's our most growing business unit right now.
Yeah, I know. I've seen a Bible. It's basically a Bible of grippers. Yeah. It's about 1,000 pages long. Any gripper you could possibly want. Yeah. So yeah, if you want a gripper, Schunk's the place to go. Tell me a little bit more about what we have here behind us. I see our collaborative robot, LBR-IWA, but it has your gripper on it.
Yeah. You see also as you mentioned, your robot, the collaborative robot, and you see here our EGP gripper. It's also a full collaborative gripping system. It's a certificated gripping system, so you can use it directly in your with your collaborative robot. And as you see here, the colleague of mine is working on your robot.
I mean, so all together you have the collaborative safe robot, the collaborative safe gripper, and it's really one of the only systems that's entirely collaborative safe for somebody to implement in their factory.
That's true.
That means that in this case, the assembly process, the robot's holding the plate there while your coworker here is actually doing the screwing.
Yeah, and the worker can handle it with two hands, so it's still an assistance robot. Also the gripper is still an assistance, and the worker can do the ergonomic work with two hands. So
instead of having to hold the plate and screw at the same time, you can just handle the bolts and the Allen wrench.
And I think it's really a good example to show customers how the collaborative robot can upgrade your workers' health and the surrounding of the workplace.
Great. So altogether, you don't need any safety fencing here. This could just drop into a current workflow.
So the robot is still working around the worker. No other safety issues, no sensors, no scanners, nothing else than the robot and the safe gripper.
So kind of the workplace of the future we're seeing here.
Yeah.
But over there we have another KUKA robot I see, and this one's more traditional setup, showing some of your traditional gripping systems, correct?
That's right. You see here our huge robot cell with different applications, with different environment applications. We have also different power. On our applications, we have some full pneumatical gripping systems and also other actors at Schunk, and then we have full electrical cells and full electrical things.
What I find great about being partners with you is that no matter whatever need the customer has, you have a gripper for that need, and if you don't, you can make one.
Yeah, that's true. So also we're very focusing on some special designed applications, depends on the different branches, depends on different applications.
One thing that I've seen over at our booth was that our new LBR Easy, it's our new collaborative robot, sort of complement to the LBR-IWA we saw earlier in your booth. That has a Schunk system on it as well. So also we've chosen to partner with you guys on our brand new robot, the LBR Easy. And also one other thing I want to mention is I saw over in our other partners booth, IBG, they have a gripper that's a hand that you guys have made.
Yeah.
That's pretty spectacular too. Would you say a few words about that system?
Yeah, that's like a human hand. It's a 5-finger hand. So as we're talking about the workplace of the future, so it may be the need to improve the hand directly, not only focusing on a 2-finger gripper or a 3-finger gripper. So it makes even easier to adapt some processes if you feel free like the human hand.
So I hear that you guys are going to be at Automatica in a few months and might have some interesting product announcements for us. Would you like to describe to the audience sort of what we might be seeing, or at least to give a little taste?
I keep it in a secret, but join us in Munich at Automatica and you will see.
Great, I'm really looking forward to it. From Hannover Fair 2018 at our partner Schunk's booth, thanks very much guys, we'll see you later.
Orange Intelligenz.